Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel dear viewers. In front of me Vivo V15 Pro device, and now I'm gonna show you top 3 best themes for this smartphone. On the third place for your device is Niagara launcher. So just open the Niagara launcher and click install. Click open and great. So now click OK, agree and continue. Choose your favorite apps, click OK again, and here as you can see we have really minimalistic interface. Here we have the main menu with the alphabetical line, and it's the really fastest way to find any applications. Here we have main menu home screen with the favorite apps. On the second place in my top is Smart Launcher 6. Find it and install. Let's click open, get started, I agree, confirm. And as you can see, this is really beautiful launcher with minimalistic design, with minimalistic interface, but the killer feature of this launcher is the automatic apps grouping feature. So all your apps automatically grouping here. And on the first place in my top is my favorite Microsoft launcher. Find it, click install. Click open, get started, continue, skip, okay, continue, let's go. Cool. So here we have glance panel. In the glance we can set up all our favorite widgets. In the main menu we have hide apps feature, and we have alphabetical line to fast search for apps, and in the settings we have gestures. Here as you can see we can set up any gest we want. For example, for opening calculator I will need to double tap, and now when I double tap I'm opening the calculator. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.